Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I am fine. I think all of you students are very well. Now I am discuss a new online class about sentence. So at first we have to know what is sentence. A sentence is a word or group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Is called a sentence. Now we write what is sentence. What is sentence? Answer. Sentence. A sentence is a word or group of words. A sentence is a word or group of words expressing a sentence is a word or group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Expressing a complete sense or meaning is called a sentence. A sentence is a word or group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning is called sentence. Example: I eat rice. Its complete meaning and it's called sentence. I is subject, eat is verb, and rice is object. So it's a full meaning and it's called a sentence. Another example: he eats rice. So he is subject, eats verb, and rice is object. So all these sentences are complete meaning. So it's called sentence. Now we discuss about how many parts of sentence. A sentence has two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. So a sentence has two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. Now we have to know about what is subject. Number one, subject. Subject is a person or thing. Subject is a person or thing that does something is called a subject. Subject is a person or thing that does something is called a subject. Is called in a sentence. Called in a sentence. Example: I eat rice. I eat rice. So I is a subject. He eats rice. He is a subject. So subject is a person or thing that does something is called a sentence. So I and he are called subject. Now we discuss about predicate. Number two, predicate. Predicate. Predicate is a part of the sentence which is said about the sentence. Predicate is the part of the sentence which is. Predicate is the part of the sentence which is said about the subject is called predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence which is said about the subject is called predicate. Example, I eat rice. So eat rice is called predicate. He eats rice. Eats rice is called predicate. So now we can divide how can divide subject and predicate. Now we can discuss about divide the subject and predicate. At first, subject, difference between predicate. Number 1, I eat rice. Subject, predicate. Number 2, he eats rice. Number 3, we play football, etc. We know how can we divide subject and predicate. Now we can discuss about how many kinds of sentences. According to the meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentences. According to the meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentences. Number 1, assertive sentence. 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, optative sentence. And last one, exclamatory sentence. So we know that according to the meaning of the sentence, there are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now we discuss about different kinds of sentences. At first we discuss about assertive sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence. At first, we discuss about assertive sentence. A sentence which asserts something. A sentence which asserts something is called an assertive sentence. A sentence which asserts something is called an assertive sentence. Example, Rohit plays football. Rohit does not play football. All these sentences are called assertive sentence because these two sentences are called asserts something, so it's called assertive sentence. Now we discuss about assertive sentence two kinds. Assertive sentence two kinds. Assertive sentence two kinds. Number one, affirmative, and two, negative. Now we discuss about affirmative and negative sentence. At first, know about affirmative sentence. Number one, affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence, a sentence that affirms something, is called an affirmative sentence. A sentence that affirms something, a sentence that affirms something is called an affirmative sentence. A sentence that affirms something is called an affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means positive meaning. Example, I play football. So its meaning, positive meaning. So it's called an affirmative sentence. Next, negative sentence. Number two, negative sentence. Negative sentence, a sentence that denies something is called negative sentence. A sentence that denies something is called a negative sentence. Example, I do not play football. So a sentence that denies something is called a negative sentence. I do not play football. Now we will discuss about interrogative sentence. Number two, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence in which a question, the sentence in which a question, the sentence in which a question, the sentence in which a question is asked. Is called an interrogative sentence. The sentence in which a question is asked is called an interrogative sentence. Example, what is your name? Do I eat rice? Does he play football? All these sentences are called interrogative sentence. Now we discuss about interrogative sentence are two parts. In interrogative sentence are two kinds. We will discuss about interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence are two kinds. One is auxiliary verb related interrogative sentence and another is WS question related interrogative sentence. Auxiliary verb related interrogative sentence, at first we have to use do, does, did, or am, is, are, or was, were, etc. Example: do I eat rice? Does he go to school? Did he eat rice? All these are called auxiliary verb related interrogative sentence. And another WS question related interrogative sentence: what is your name? What is your name? When did you go to school yesterday? So this is called WS question related interrogative sentence and this is called auxiliary verb related interrogative sentence. Now we discuss about imperative sentence. Discuss about imperative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence which indicates command, request or an advice is called imperative sentence. The sentence which indicates the sentence which indicates a command or advice is called an imperative sentence. Example: imperative sentence, command, request or advice. So example: do not run in the sun. This is called imperative sentence. Do not run in the sun. Number 4, optative sentence. Optative sentence, a sentence which expresses a wish, prayer or desire. A sentence which expresses a wish, prayer or which expresses a wish, prayer or desire is called an optative sentence. Example: optative sentence means wish, prayer or desire. Example: may Allah save you. Long live our Bangladesh. Long live our Bangladesh. So all these sentences are called optative sentence. And finally, we will discuss about exclamatory sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses an emotion or feeling. The sentence which expresses an emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Example: alas, I am undone. Hurrah, we have won the game. So all these sentences are finally we will discuss about all kinds of sentences. At first we have to discuss about assertive sentence. Assertive sentence are two kinds: affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentence means affirms something. Negative sentence means denies something. Affirmative sentence means positive meaning, and negative sentence means negative meaning. And then we discuss about interrogative sentence are two kinds: auxiliary relative interrogative sentence and WS question related interrogative sentence. So, dear students, I think all of my students are clearly understand to these sentences. And next week I will discuss about parts of speech. So, thank you very much. Stay with me. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu.